I'm smoking a Tambor Dominicano, a gift from my brother. Cheap cigar, but not bad. I remember my dad had some buddies when I was growing up, and they'd always have like a stump of a chewed on cigar. I don't remember them smoking much. They were just kind of mouthing it. Good memories though. So I'm on a little road trip with a motorcycle. I was crossing Wyoming heading towards Casper last week, and doing about 80. Side wind of about 40. Typical. And zoom! Going the other direction. There's my brother, my older brother. He has a real distinctive pickup. That was a surprise. So I turned around, chased him down, and we sat in the cab of his truck and talked for a while. He gave me a couple of cigars. So, smoking them now. So I'm at 9,600 feet in southwest Colorado, outside of Silverton. Got a little cabin here. There's the Animas River. There's 13,600 foot King Solomon Mountain. There's looking down the valley towards Silverton. Let's see if I swing back behind me. There's the cabin. I just opened it up. I have to leave tomorrow morning and head over to Lake Tahoe and then back to Seattle. So unfortunately I can't stay very long, which is really sad because this is a great place.